A second way that we can solve simultaneous equations is algebraically, and there's an algebraic method which we call substitution. So if I've got my two equations, what I can do, and if one of the equations is written y equals some function of x, or x equals some function of y, what we can do is this y has got to be equal to this y. So I can substitute this value of y into this. So when I do that, I'll end up being able to say that minus 3x plus 16 is equal to 5x minus 8. So all I've done there is taken this value of y and put it in instead of this y. So now I've got an equation, one equation with just one unknown. And when I've got one equation with one unknown, I'm able to solve that. So what I'm going to do, I've got x's on both sides of my equation, so I need to move them over to one side of the equation. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. So I'm going to end up with minus 3x plus 3x gives me 0x. So I'm just going to have this plus 16 equals 5x plus 3x is 8x minus 8. So that's my first step. Remember, when we're solving algebraic equations, what we need to do is get the unknown by itself. So what I need to do is try and manipulate this equation to get the x by itself. So I want to get rid of the minus 8. So what I'm going to do is add 8 to both sides. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 8x minus 8 plus 8 just leaves 8x. Now I'm trying to get the x by itself. So to do that, I need to divide both sides by 8. So 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. And 8x divided by 8 just leaves x. So my solution for the x value is x equals 3. Now when we're solving simultaneous equations, we've got to give both the x value and the y value. So what I can do is take my x solution and put it back into either of these original equations. So let's do it into the first equation. So I can say that y is equal to 5. Instead of x, I'm going to put in 5 times 3 minus 8. 5 times 3 is 15 minus 8. So y is going to be equal to 7. So my solution, we can write as coordinate point forms. We could say that's x equals 3, y equals 7. And that would be a solution, or we could say, or if you wanted to, you could say x equals 3, y is equal to 7. And that's a solution to these simultaneous equations.